Your liver is one of the most powerful organs in your entire body. It filters your blood 24 hours a day, removes toxins, breaks down fat, stores vitamins, and even helps regulate your hormones. But here is the truth most people never hear: your liver can get overloaded, clogged, or inflamed without you realizing it. And when that happens, you may experience belly fat that won't go away, tiredness even after good sleep, slow digestion, yellowish skin, brain fog, sugar cravings, acne, or dull skin. These are the early warning signs. The good news: you don't need expensive cleanses or detox kits. Your liver has the ability to heal, regenerate, and clean itself naturally, if you give it the right foods. Today, we're diving deep into the best science-backed foods that clean, repair, and supercharge your liver. Stay till the end, because the last 3 foods are extremely underrated but can transform your liver health. 1. Garlic, the liver activation switch. Garlic is one of the most powerful detox foods on the planet. When you eat garlic, your body releases allicin, a compound that activates enzymes in your liver that break down toxins. What garlic does for your liver: helps your liver remove heavy metals, breaks down fat stored inside liver cells, reduces inflammation, helps reverse fatty liver disease, boosts antioxidant levels. Just 1 to 2 cloves per day is enough to start the detox process. Pro tip: crush garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes. This increases the potency of allicin by almost 300%. 2. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric is packed with curcumin, one of the strongest anti-inflammatory compounds ever discovered. How it helps your liver: cleanses liver cells, repairs damage from alcohol, sugar, and medicines, boosts bile production to break down fat, protects your liver from chemical toxins. Many studies show turmeric can even help shrink fat deposits in the liver. Best way to consume: mix 1/2 teaspoon turmeric in warm water or milk at night. 3. Beets, the deep cleanser. If your liver could choose a favorite food, it would be beetroot. Beets contain betaine, a nutrient that helps the liver push out toxins faster. Beets help the liver by cleaning the bloodstream, reducing fatty liver, improving oxygen flow, protecting liver cells from damage. Beet juice or beet salad 3 to 4 times a week can make a huge difference. 4. Lemon water, the morning detox. Lemon water is simple, but incredibly powerful. The acidity of lemon activates digestive enzymes in the liver and encourages it to flush out toxins early in the day. Benefits: breaks down fat, helps cleanse the blood, improves digestion, supports natural detoxification, boosts vitamin C levels. Drink 1 glass every morning on an empty stomach. 5. Leafy greens, the toxin absorbers. Spinach, kale, coriander, mint, parsley. These greens actually bind to toxins in your body and help remove them before they even reach your liver. Benefits to your liver: removes pesticides and heavy metals, increases bile flow, reduces inflammation, helps with detoxification, supports liver cell regeneration. Add a handful of greens to your daily meals or smoothies. 6. Green tea, the fat burner and AMP protector. Green tea is full of catechins, antioxidants that reduce fat inside the liver. Benefits: reduces liver enzymes, helps reverse fatty liver, boosts metabolism, protects against liver cancer, cleans the liver of chemical toxins. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. Avoid on an empty stomach if you have acidity. 7. Avocados, the liver repair fruit. Avocados are one of the richest natural sources of glutathione, the master antioxidant your liver uses to process toxins. What it does: repairs damaged liver cells, reduces inflammation, helps your liver break down heavy fats, improves toxin filtration. Even eating 2 to 3 avocados per week can help lower liver inflammation. 8. Walnuts. The detox nut. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help clean fat buildup inside the liver. Benefits: helps liver process fat, improves blood flow, boosts detox enzymes, supports ammonia removal, reduces liver swelling. Eat 3 to 5 walnuts every morning. 9. Apples, the natural liver scrubber. Apples are rich in pectin, a fiber that helps clean your digestive system and reduces the amount of work your liver has to do. How this helps your liver: removes cholesterol, cleanses the colon, helps reduce fat storage, supports smooth detoxification. Green apples are the best option. 10. Ginger, the circulation booster. Ginger improves blood flow to the liver, ensuring the organ gets more oxygen and nutrients. Benefits: reduces chronic liver inflammation, enhances metabolism, helps break down fatty acids, improves digestion, supports liver after alcohol intake. Ginger tea 3 to 4 times a week is enough. 11. Blueberries, the antioxidant shield. Blueberries are extremely powerful for liver health due to their high levels of anthocyanins. Benefits: stops liver scarring, protects against oxidative damage, helps regenerate liver tissue, improves fat metabolism. A handful of blueberries daily supports long-term liver protection. 12. Olive oil, the healthy fat that helps detox. Cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil helps reduce fat stored in the liver and lubricates the detox process. Benefits: reduces liver enzyme levels, cleans out toxic buildup, supports bile production, helps reverse fatty liver disease. Use 1 tablespoon daily. Bonus: the 7-day liver reset juice. Drink once daily. Ingredients: 1/2 beetroot, 1 lemon, small piece ginger, mixed greens, spinach or parsley, 1 cup water. This juice boosts bile flow, removes toxins, and re-energizes your liver within a week. Foods that damage your liver. To clean your liver, you must avoid sugar, soda, processed snacks, fried foods, white flour, excess salt, alcohol, energy drinks, packaged juices, too much oily fast food. These cause fatty liver, inflammation, and toxin overload. Final message: your liver is your body's built-in detox machine. Imagine giving it the exact foods it needs to clean, repair, and work at full power. Add 3 to 5 of these foods daily for 2 weeks and you will notice more energy, clearer skin, better digestion, faster fat loss, reduced bloating, better mood, better sleep. Your liver takes care of you every single day. It's time to take care of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. It helps more people discover the truth about liver and take control of their health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.